Hello, dear friends. This is the phone support channel. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to insert a link to your Instagram profile in TikTok. This is where a special icon will appear in your TikTok profile that when people click on it, they can go to your Instagram account. How do you do that? Very simple. First, you need to log into your TikTok profile. After that, you have to click on the button, Edit Profile. I'll say it again. Click on the profile and then click on Edit Profile. Now go down a little bit lower and click Social. There's a YouTube and Instagram item here. We need to select Instagram. Once you click that, we just have to go through the authorization process. It is important not just to insert the link, but to authorize. To do this, we have to click on the button, Login, or click Open App. There you can just confirm your login, or just type in your username and password from your Instagram account. We'll type them in here. Once we've entered our details, we click Login, and we wait a few seconds. The authorization happens. A notification appears. Then we go through all these items, and we press Allow. Now we wait a few more seconds, and now we see that the link to our Instagram account has already been added here. Instagram has been added. Now we go out and update our profile. We see that the Instagram icon has appeared. If we click it, our account opens up. That's such a great way to do it. This was the phone support channel. If you liked it, like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.